Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change LocalSend settings step by step. Customizing LocalSend lets you adjust how the app behaves, manage your device information, and personalize your file sharing experience. So let's get started. First, open the LocalSend app on your device. Once the app launches, click or tap the settings icon, which is usually located in the sidebar or menu, depending on your operating system. Yeah, the layout may look slightly different on Windows, Android, iPhone, macOS, or Linux, but the available options are very similar. Next, browse through the available settings. Here, you can change your device name, which is the name other devices see when they discover your device on the local network. Giving your device a unique name makes it much easier to identify during file transfers. You can also review options related to the save location for received files, notifications, network permissions, and appearance if those settings are available in your version of LocalSend. I mean, you can customize these options to match the way you prefer to use the app. After making your changes, save the settings if required. Some versions of LocalSend apply changes automatically, while others may ask you to confirm before the new settings take effect. If necessary, restart the app to ensure all changes are applied properly. Finally, send a small test file to or from another device to confirm that everything is working as expected with your updated settings. And that's it. You now know how to change LocalSend settings and customize the app for a smoother file sharing experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.